Submissiveness, assertiveness, and aggressiveness. We all want to be liked, but at the same time we also do not want others to cross our boundaries. And we certainly do not want to be or remain victims of others' boundary-crossing behavior. I must honestly admit that I used to have a lot of trouble recognizing the difference. So where do we draw the line? And what is the difference between submissiveness, assertiveness, and aggressiveness? And where lies the sweet spot? Now, we people may react differently to a situation depending on the emotional baggage that we have or haven't resolved yet. And with an aggressive response, we go on the attack. We assert our rights boldly, but often at the expense of others. And we often regret or feel ashamed of our reaction afterwards. On the other hand, with a submissive response, we become victims of a situation and we push ourselves aside to please others, and thus perpetuating our victimhood and allowing the offender to remain the offender. However, with an assertive response, we stand up for our own interests and feelings while also respecting the interests and feelings of the others. So an assertive response breaks both aggressive and submissive victim patterns. So for example, here's how you can respond assertively. You state what you observe and how it makes you feel. For instance, I feel ignored when you do not respond to my messages. Or I feel that my evening peace is not respected and I feel attacked when you keep arguing with me before bedtime, even though I asked you to discuss this at a neutral time during the day. Or I feel disrespected and even intimidated when you keep berating me instead of calmly asking me a question if you want something to change. Or I feel hurt or judged when you speak to me in a blaming and accusing manner instead of asking me a question. So in summary, when we respond assertively, we do not hurt or judge, and we choose to break both aggression and submissiveness by expressing what we observe and how we feel, and using the I statement, and not harming or judging the other person. My hope is that this video provides you with more clarity on how to break through boundary crossing behavior or submissive victimhood assertively. If you found this video valuable, please feel free to like, to share and subscribe to not miss any future videos. I will see you in the next video.